Before you buy any fitness watch for running, there's one thing nobody tells you. Most of them track your steps just fine, but they completely miss what actually matters during a run, like real-time pacing, recovery insights, and GPS accuracy that doesn't drain your battery in 2 hours. I found out the hard way. Product number 1, Fitbit Inspire 3. The Fitbit Inspire 3 caught my eye because it's one of the most affordable options, under $100, and over 10,000 people bought it last month. It's slim, lightweight, and tracks all the basics like heart rate, sleep, and stress. If you want solid daily health tracking without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 24/7 heart rate monitoring and active zone minutes help you stay in the right intensity zone during easy runs or recovery days. The daily readiness score tells you if your body is ready to push hard or needs rest. Super useful for avoiding burnout. And with up to 10 days of battery life, you won't be charging it every night like some other watches. Now, some people complained about the lack of built-in GPS. Here's the thing though, if you're running with your phone anyway, it uses connected GPS just fine. But if you run phone-free often, this could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a casual runner or beginner focused on consistency over advanced metrics. Skip this one if you need standalone GPS or detailed running dynamics. For under $100, it's a steal for basic tracking. Product number 2, Garmin VivoActive 5. Now, if the Fitbit's lack of GPS bothered you, the Garmin VivoActive 5 takes a completely different approach. Priced around $180, it's got built-in GPS, a bright AMOLED screen, and up to 11 days of battery life. Over 7,000 runners picked this last month for good reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The body battery energy monitoring combines sleep, stress, and workout data to tell you exactly when to train hard and when to rest. That means no more guessing if you're overtraining. The morning report gives you a snapshot of your recovery, HRV status, and training outlook as soon as you wake up. Perfect for planning your run. Plus, it tracks over 30 sports, including wheelchair mode, which shows how inclusive Garmin's design really is. Now, some people complained about the touchscreen being finicky in rain or sweat. Here's the thing though, Garmin includes physical buttons too, so you can switch to button mode during tough workouts. This is perfect for you if you want smartwatch features, solid GPS, and recovery insights without going full racing mode. Skip this one if you're training for marathons and need advanced running dynamics. For everyday runners who want balance, it's a smart pick. Product number 3, Garmin Forerunner 165. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better for serious runners. The Garmin Forerunner 165 costs about $200 and is built purely for running. It's got a crisp AMOLED display, up to 19 hours of GPS battery life, and personalized daily workouts that adapt based on your performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Garmin Coach gives you free training plans for 5K, 10K, or half marathon goals, adjusting as you progress. The training effect feature shows how each run improves your endurance or speed, so you know exactly what you're gaining. And the recovery time tells you when your body is ready for the next hard effort, which helps prevent injury. Plus, incident detection can send your location to emergency contacts if something goes wrong on a solo run. Now, some people complained about the lack of music storage. Here's the thing though, this watch is focused on running metrics, not entertainment. If you stream music, just pair Bluetooth headphones directly. This is perfect for you if you're training for races or want data-driven coaching. Skip this one if you need onboard music or ultra-long, ultra-marathon battery. For dedicated runners, it's one of the best values under $200. Product number 4, Amazfit Bip 6. Now, if Garmin's price feels steep, the Amazfit Bip 6 offers surprising value at just $75. With a 1.97-inch AMOLED screen, 14-day battery, and built-in GPS, it punches way above its weight. Over 4,000 buyers chose it last month, and not just for the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The free downloadable maps and turn-by-turn navigation mean you can explore new routes without getting lost. The 140-plus workout modes include niche options like high rocks and strength training, so it's not just for runners. And the 50-meter water resistance means rain or sweat won't stop it. The AI coaching gives personalized tips based on your habits, which is rare at this price. Now, some people complained about the app being clunky and sync issues. Here's the thing though. Once it's set up, it works reliably, and the hardware itself is solid. This is perfect for you if you want GPS, long battery, and smart features on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need seamless app integration or advanced recovery data. For the price, it's a hidden gem.
Product number 5, AEAC Smartwatch. Finally, if you want the cheapest option that still feels premium, the AEAC Smartwatch costs under $55, and over 4,000 people bought it recently. It has a 1.85-inch HD screen, Bluetooth calling, and 100-plus sport modes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can answer calls directly from your wrist during recovery walks or post-run errands. No need to pull out your phone. The 24/7 health monitoring covers heart rate, SpO2, and sleep. And the IP68 rating means it survives sweat and rain. Plus, the 5-year warranty is almost unheard of at this price. Now, some people complained about inaccurate heart rate readings during high-intensity runs. Here's the thing though. For light jogging or general fitness, it's fine. But don't rely on it for precise training zones. This is perfect for you if you want basic tracking, calling, and style under $60. Skip this one if you're training seriously or need medical-grade accuracy. For casual runners on a budget, it's a fun, functional pick. So, which one should you get? The Fitbit Inspire 3 is great for beginners. The Garmin VivoActive 5 balances smart features and fitness. The Forerunner 165 is ideal for race training. The Amazfit Bip 6 delivers GPS and battery on a budget. And the AEAC watch is the cheapest with calling. Pick based on your needs, not the hype. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for real, no-fluff gear reviews.